Do you like working with people and helping others? Or maybe you'd like to find out if you'd like to work in a healthcare career. Attend Future Oral Health Workforce Day to find out.
These opportunities are a really great chance to try some hands-on activities, get a sense of what the training and education is like for lots of different oral health care careers.
And also connect with the professionals. I think it's very important to hear from those professionals firsthand that are already working in the field.
We always try to do hands-on, try to get them doing a couple of activities, let them know how the programs work. Our dentistry is very much hands-on.
I know for me personally, I know I wanted to have a career in dentistry, but I think that this event kind of helped me choose which one out of all of them that I want to pursue.
Future Oral Health Workforce Day is a one-day workshop for high school students. It includes fun, hands-on activity, information on prerequisites for dental training programs, admission preparation, and additional opportunities for furthering interest in a dental career.
It's really good hands-on experience, and you get to see the dental office and how everything works.
I thought my experience was really good, and I think if you have the opportunity to go and you don't, you're just betraying yourself. You have absolutely nothing to lose.
We really got to dive into all the things that you actually do for dentistry, which was really interesting.
There's a lot of hands-on experiences that we got to do. The computers, we got to see 3D aspects of like the mouth, like 3D models in that. That was very surprising. Whenever you get an opportunity like this, just take it. Because in college, there's a lot of kids that still don't know what they want to do yet.
I actually am interested in a career in like orthodontics, and I'm going into dental school, so it's really fun to see what they actually get to do. It was a really helpful experience.
So experiences like this are beneficial for the students as it gives them a chance to really try their hand at something that they may be considering for a career.
If you like working with people, if you like the one-on-one with patients, it's a great profession.
A lot of it was based on like, hey, we work with kids, it's so good to see kids. You know, it's sad to see a kid that doesn't like their smile or how they look, you know? So they like to put a smile on someone's face, and everybody loves a good smile.
Dentistry has to do with communication, maybe the medical field, so there's plenty of different areas that people could like connect to this event.
These are typically kind of once in a blue moon, so to speak, experiences, which means if you have the chance, take advantage of opportunities that are presented to you.
Start your career in oral health and find a Future Oral Health Workforce Day near you.